pound MR2.
So if you watched the last episode, you'll know that we fitted a set of tane coilovers to the car, which has transformed it no end. It's now like riding on a fluffy little cloud. So we're going to be fitting this onto this. So you're probably thinking, why do I need an exhaust manifold? My car's already got an exhaust manifold. Well, we're going to tell you why. So just down here we have 1, 2 precats. Now what happens is those suckers fall apart and it sucks it back through the exhaust manifold into here. So by fitting this shiny new exhaust manifold, we're going to eliminate that problem. Big shout out to Malian for sorting us out with an exhaust manifold for the MR2 today. As you can see, this is where the precats used to be on the old system. We're going to be heat wrapping this before we put it on, but you retain the O2 sensors in the stock position and it stops you having an engine light on. Malian are also the only people that use crush ring gaskets on the bottom. Most other suppliers give you those cheap fibre gaskets at the bottom and they blow out. So hopefully it should be good. Let's go check it out. Just chilling on the wing. Quick tip when using exhaust wrap, it's horrible stuff. Wear gloves and soak it in water because it stops all the fiberglass coming off all over your hands and your skin and everything, and turning you into a hairy monster. Now it's time to get the old one off so we can get this one on. Now that they're off, we can see the differences. So, got 1, 2 cats in here. Luckily, they look okay. To be fair, they're not looking like they're broken up, but they break up and go back into the engine. So, this, as you can see, we've heat wrapped this. It's now got to go in there. So the second cat is there. So that's the actual cat. These are just pre-cats. It's all looking pretty good. If you work on cars and you don't own this product, go and get it now. I'll put a link in the description down here. But if you do studs or anything like turbos and you don't want them to rattle loose, this is what you need. It's like 2000 degrees Fahrenheit. I wish I knew about this years ago. Go and buy it now. I'll stop. I'll wait. Have you bought it yet? So it's on. Let's start it up, see what it sounds like. Woo! Smoke it. Gotta love heat wrap. So, it's the next day. I've showered, thankfully, and I have got rid of all the fiberglass off my arms. So I know Captain Planet's going to be angry at me for taking the cats out. If you don't know who Captain Planet is, I feel really old now. I still have a cat, and it will still pass an MOT. Just don't have the stupid little ones, they're going to kill the engine. So I weighed the stock manifold with cat last night. It comes out at 8.5 kilograms. The new Malian headers are 5, so there's a big old weight saving there. I love living in the fens. Stuck behind a combine. I think the thing is the width of the road. So RIP anyone coming the other way. There's this little Fiat 500 in front of me trying to overtake it. I don't know what it's doing. My man has got a brand new combine harvester. I've got a brand new combine harvester and I'll give you the key. Here. So throttle response, so much nicer. crack the windows so we can hear if there's some sort of sound, but I can barely hold on. It's so much rubbier. It feels so much happier. It's really weird. It's hard to explain on a video. Let's put the window up. It doesn't feel choked anymore, which is good. It's got maybe 130 horsepower now from the 140 in there. So if any of you guys want to change your header, as the Americans call them, or exhaust manifold as we call them here in the UK, for your MR2 or MRS or whatever the hell you want to call them, give Malian a shout. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, because this makes me sad. The more likes and subscribes we get, the more cool stuff we can do and the more bits we can get. Feel free to drop down in the comments if you've got any suggestions for what we should be doing with the MR2 or any other stuff you want to see on the channel. But until next time, adios muchachos.